Thunderobot Zero 18 Pro Review. Real power, honest results, and no compromises found. The Thunderobot Zero 18 Pro is an 18-inch flagship gaming laptop built around the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 mobile GPU, 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and a large PCIe SSD. In everyday terms, it is a desktop-class machine designed to sit on your desk or travel with you, handling anything from competitive gaming at high frame rates to video editing and heavy rendering without breaking a sweat. A friend who edits documentary footage described it simply as the first laptop that made his external hard drive feel unnecessary, finally free. The 18-inch QHD Plus 2560 by 1600 Hummingbird display runs at 240 Hz, so everything from fast-paced games to scrolling through timelines feels smooth and immediate. Imagine never having to compromise between raw power and visual clarity in one machine again. Here's where it gets interesting. The Thunderobot Zero 118 Pro stacks its advantages in ways that matter for real daily use. First, the Core Ultra 9 275HX runs up to 5.4 GHz across 24 cores, which means complex renders, live stream encoding, and game AI processing all happen in the background without stealing your focus. Second, the RTX 5090 mobile GPU handles 1440p and 4K gaming, ray tracing, and AI-accelerated workflows with room to spare. Third, the QHD Plus 240 Hz display brings wide color and fast motion clarity that suits both competitive play and color-graded video work. Fourth, the cooling system runs 3 Night Owl fans with 7 heat pipes and 338 ultra-thin copper fins covering a total surface area of 256,000 square millimeters, targeting 270 watts of sustained performance. A streamer I know ran a 6-hour gaming marathon and reported no throttling and no unexpected dips. Consistent power matters. Fifth, military-grade durability testing, including 180G impact survival and 74-centimeter drop resistance, means this machine is built to travel. Before discovering this laptop, the typical struggle looked like juggling 2 devices, a gaming rig at home and a lighter travel machine that could never quite keep up. One video editor described the turning point clearly. She had been rendering a short film on a mid-range laptop during a hotel stay, watched it stall halfway through, and missed her upload window. That moment of quiet frustration is familiar to anyone who has pushed portable hardware too far. The Thunderobot Zero 18 Pro changes that dynamic by delivering one machine capable of both worlds. The 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and large SSD storage mean you keep everything local and move fast. There is one detail about how the cooling sustains that power under real load that deserves a closer look, and the next section addresses exactly that. After testing a few options, one thing became clear. Don't just pick any gaming laptop. Make sure it has a triple-fan, multi-heat pipe cooling system so you never waste your time on thermal throttling, killing your frame rates mid-session again. The Thunderobot Zero 18 Pro earns its reputation here because the thermal architecture is genuinely engineered rather than simply marketed. A hardware reviewer who measured CPU and GPU power draw through extended stress tests confirmed consistent output without throttling, crediting the 270-watt design and the copper fin network. An industry analyst noted that the 64-gigabyte DDR5 and massive SSD configuration removes upgrade anxiety for creators who work with large project files. A gaming influencer praised the 240 Hz Hummingbird display for making competitive titles feel sharp and fluid in equal measure. The common objection around size and weight is fair. This is an 18-inch chassis, and it is not built for minimalism. But if maximum sustained performance is the priority, that trade is straightforward and reasonable. Keep using it consistently, and the reliability becomes something you simply stop thinking about. More creators, esports coaches, and power users are choosing the Thunderobot Zero 18 Pro as a serious daily machine precisely because it delivers where it promises. One verified user replaced both a desktop and a travel laptop with a single Zero 18 Pro and called it the cleaner solution. Simple upgrade, lasting payoff. If you want a gaming laptop that handles extreme workloads, wide gamut visuals, and long sessions without slowing down, the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment is your next step. Check it out and see if it fits your setup.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.